International Big Cat Alliance. And with respect to International Big Cat Alliance, okay, the news was that its first assembly was held in India. That was the news. So the International Big Cat Alliance first session held in India, New Delhi. What is this alliance? So this alliance is about conservation of the big cats. Okay, it was an initiative led by India only, and it was initiated in 2023. So initiated in 2023, which would be 50 years of the Project Tiger in India. Project Tiger was started in 1973. So 1973, 50 years of Project Tiger, India led this alliance, okay, and International Big Cat Alliance was formed. Now, for International Big Cat Alliances, okay, it's an international alliance, we have to understand. So 7 big cats are included under this. 7 big cats, including the big cats found in India, which would be tiger, lion, leopard, India I am talking about, leopard, cheetah, snow leopard. These are the 5 found in India. Okay, although cheetah, we do not identify India as of now as a range country. Okay, there has been translocation. India earlier was there. Okay, along with that, 2 more, which is jaguar and puma. So jaguar and puma. Jaguar and puma are found in Americas, where we see jaguar mainly from Central America to South America, and puma, which is most widespread in Americas. Okay, in fact, most widespread big cat, okay, extends right there from Canada up to the tip of Argentina. Okay, you find puma. So these are all the 7 big cats which are included under this. Whatever are found in India, what we see, overall, all the 5 we are talking about. Important point about this big cat alliance is here, range as well as non-range countries are part of this. Range and non-range countries we understand. Range is where naturally they are found, and then non-range countries which are there. So range and non-range countries both are party of this alliance. And out of the 5, if you see, of the big cats we are talking about, okay, including cheetah, okay, we have tiger, which is in endangered category. Rest all of them are vulnerable categories. That's how we remember it. Okay, out of the 5, only tiger is endangered, rest of all are vulnerable categories. Okay, this is International Big Cat Alliance.